Hey guys, and welcome back. We are going live to you guys real quick to basically go over how to make money with ClickFunnels. Most of you guys already have probably used ClickFunnels or heard of it. We're just doing this quick video for the group and for the YouTube channel to just explain exactly what it is you can do with this amazing software. So what I'm gonna do is give you guys a quick intro. So for those of you guys who don't know me, who are watching on YouTube for the first time, or maybe just joined the Facebook group, my name is Andrew Alvey. I am an online marketer. I'm obsessed with passive income. I'm obsessed with automation. I'm obsessed with building a system that goes on to pay me, my family, for years to come. If that's something you guys are interested in, make sure to definitely hit the subscribe button down below, join the RPI movement, and become part of the family. All right, so let's jump right into this. You guys want to know exactly how to make money with ClickFunnels. What is all the hype about? It's more than just a software, guys. The most important thing is ClickFunnels is a community. It's a place where people learn, grow. You have a team behind you. It's all this whole theory basically about impact over income, which is why it's so great, is that people are making tons of money because they're understanding this concept of giving value and actually creating impact in the world and helping others. And the money ends up coming in more abundance than you could have ever thought possible. The last thing we want you to think of ClickFunnels is a software, okay? So what I'm gonna do is jump inside my computer right now, give you guys an amazing kind of demo of exactly what it is that you need to know when looking to get started with ClickFunnels. All right, so what we're gonna do here, the first thing is, this is actually showing you the ClickFunnels page. Now this is gonna help you and kind of understand whether you're an affiliate marketer, a network marketer, you're in, info products, you're doing coaching, you have an agency that you run, you're selling physical products through e-commerce, whatever it is that you're interested in, ClickFunnels specifically will help you in whatever business that is to make more money online. Now, a lot of you guys know that one of the things I believe in is helping and teaching other people who have not yet, let's say they're still struggling to find out how to start a business, may not be online, they're very entrepreneurial, they're thinking, hey, how can I work less? How can I build wealth for my family? ClickFunnels is one of the best tools I think that you can have in your pocket in this day and age that's really gonna take you to the next level. So, I will provide a link to this exact page down below. It will be below the video on YouTube or in the Facebook group. You can just click somewhere around the video. I will have it linked, okay? So ClickFunnels is basically combining a bunch of different tools. It's just literally letting you build really nice landing pages very simply. It's letting you guys, drive leads, collect email addresses. It's letting you send email addresses. You can host your webinars with them. You can host your affiliate program with them. There's so many different options they let you do, which is why it's such an amazing platform. If you're someone who's not very tech savvy, just note this gives you everything you need to run a business online in today's day and age. Okay, so when I started, I didn't know exactly what I was doing. I signed up for ClickFunnels, and before I knew it, I was like, wow, I can build a free offer, for a cheat sheet. Then I can take them to my next $7 offer after they buy that. Then I can take them to a $47 offer. I started driving traffic and making money, okay? Little did I know there was so many extra things I could do with it, which I slowly learned over time. So generating leads is massive. That's that's an amazing feature. So you can generate leads for your business and then literally sit back while you're sleeping, while you're on vacation, have an automated email sequence, because ClickFunnels sends your emails for you also. Have an automated email sequence for 100 days, for 300 days. It doesn't even matter, where you're gonna collect that lead and they're gonna go through this whole process of being sold different offers. They're gonna be getting value, being taught, getting a free course, a cheat sheet, and it just keeps going, showing them offers to help them while you make more money. So getting leads and then sitting back and actually making the money on automation is amazing. Selling your products. So I am a salesman first and foremost. That's what I studied a lot of sales in Grant Cardone. So ClickFunnels is giving you the ability to set up a very defined process. So instead of doing a shotgun approach where you're just trying to call and talk to whoever you can, ClickFunnels helps you get a very targeted lead directly into your company, into your website, into your funnel, and it takes them step by step by the hand. It's like having your best salesperson say, hey, this is the product that you need. we're going to show you it. It's this makeup brush that's amazing, blah, blah, blah. Then we take you to the next page. Hey, with that, you're going to need our whole foundation set and eyeliners. Oh, and then you're going to need this and that. It walks them by the hand as if they entered your store, which is a physical store in real life. You could have a brick and mortar store. You could have it as if it was just e-commerce online. All you're doing is this will automatically have your best salesman on a video, text, whatever it is, selling your products in a very specific order to help you make more money. So all you're doing is driving traffic to these sites and reaping the benefit of the profits, okay? So let's see here. We're going to jump down. Follow-up funnels, we kind of talked about this. This is, like I said, building an email list and being able to sit back and make money while you sleep, make money if you're not feeling well, make money if you're on vacation. Having a process where you can say, every lead I collect, let's say it costs you, $3, and over the next 6 to 12 months, they're going to be getting 200, 300 emails, and you're making back $18, $20, $25 per customer. How much are you going to spend? You put $3 in to get that email, you're making $25 out. You're going to put as much money into this system as you can. So we're all about building an automated system on this channel. Follow-up funnels is one of the best things you can do. Now, all of this may sound complicated, but keep in mind, ClickFunnels is for the person that is either afraid of tech, they're not techie. ClickFunnels, I describe it, is like the Apple of building websites. It's not like the Android where there's 20 different options. It's hard to figure out. You could have different modes and apps and systems and softwares. It is literally just like the Apple. You can give it to your grandma. You can give it to a kid. Whatever it is, you can go in here. It literally makes it extremely simple to say, do you want a funnel? Yes. Here's 150, 200 templates we have pre-made that already show, hey, how to generate leads, how to run a webinar, how to give away a cheat sheet. Whatever it is, they already have it all laid out for you. After that, it just takes you literally, hey, do you want to set up the email with us? So this is for the people that are maybe got caught up in all the tech. There's no coding. There's none of this stuff. It just lets you literally build out your sales process to help engage your customers. Does not matter what business you're in. Now, the reason I'm going to give you the link to this page is I'm trying to keep this short. I want you guys to be able to go through this page yourself. And this actually has a quiz here, which you can take, which just says, hey, which of the best, describes your business or service. So whether you're agency, you're doing info, e-commerce, coaching, network marketing, you're a local small business, brick and mortars, you're doing lead generation, you're doing blogging, or you're an affiliate marketer, you're doing nonprofits, okay? We have friends that have raised millions of dollars for their nonprofit through using ClickFunnels. So if you want to know how it applies, they've already done this. When you take this quiz, they will send you a specific case study that breaks down someone who has a similar story to you and exactly what it is. So for me, I'm going to go in here and say, all right, I'm coaching consultant, okay? I coach people, I do YouTube videos, whatever. Who did I hear from? Tony Robbins, blah, 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 blah. Facebook, Google, YouTube, Instagram, okay? That's just because I went through Facebook groups. In YouTube, I learned a lot. Okay, I've been in business about 2 years, so 2 to 5 years is great. Am I currently using a sales funnel? Yes, I currently have a working funnel. And let's go with, what is my struggle? Let's go with this. My business, I need a new way to grow in my business. So after the end of the quiz, it literally is going to calculate specifically what it is to help you by showing you a case study of someone that's already done it, okay? So it found a very specific case study. You put in your email address here, and it's automatically going to email that to you. So I recommend all you guys go through this quiz, put in your information, fill it out, understand that everything I just said, it was like a lot with the emails part of it and the actual sales funnel builder and all these pieces. ClickFunnels sections them all out. And as you go in, even if you've never started a business, don't have a product yet, it literally says, okay, these are the 4 main things you need. You need to build an email list. You need to have a web page. You need to either have affiliates or you need to have products. It has a shopping cart in there. It puts it all in one place. So you can just say, okay, well, in the beginning, I'm going to start out simple. I just need a sales page, and let me add a product to that page. Start driving traffic and making money. You go, okay, well, now I want to start following up on emails. Like, you go at your own pace. But the point is, when you sign up for ClickFunnels, it takes all these other tools that you would have to have, puts it into one easy-to-use product, just like an iPhone would be, to simplify your life, okay? And it's just this morning, I don't know if it'll focus, I'm sleeping, 3:43 a.m., if you can even see that. I received a payment of $57. I received another payment of $37. So while I'm sleeping last night, I made $100 because somebody's going through my automated email sequence. So keep in mind, that happens every single day. All right. So build a system that can pay you daily, whether you're there or not, whether you're asleep or doing something. That is your best bet. Take the link down below in the video, click on it, go to this page, go through it, take the quiz, and they're going to send you a case study to show you how you can start building more wealth in your life and how you can start automating this sales system to work for you 24/7, even when you're not there or not feeling like working. Thank you once again. My name is Andrew Alvey. This is Real Passive Income, where what we do is teach you the marketing and automation tactics you need to succeed in business online. If you guys like what we're talking about here, if you guys are interested in following all and more stuff, hit the subscribe button. Turn on the post notifications if you're on YouTube. If you're on Facebook, like this video. Either way, check out the link, guys. It will, after they show you this case study, it will give you a free 14-day trial. If you guys do click through my link, you get the free 14-day trial with that. You're going to get your case study where they give you all the info and how to get started. I'm also going to give you a 1-hour coaching call. I give this to everybody who gets started with ClickFunnels, as well as a lot of training and support after that. But just keep in mind, with the 14-day case study, you're going to get a 1-hour coaching call with me directly. Thank you guys so much. If you enjoyed, stay tuned for the next video. On Monday, we are going to be dropping a separate video that is going to give you more information on how you can get started with your online business.